everyone, welcome back to another video. As you can see, I'm back. And for the last couple of days I haven't been here because last week it just hit me that we are in a pandemic and that we have no control, and it was a bit scary for me. It was because the last couple of months I've been doing like a video every day and doing so much for social media, and there was such an overload for me that I wasn't really you know, giving myself the time to realize what was happening. And last week it just hit me. So yeah, that was why I was a little bit down as well, and was, you know, I was just not feeling it. And I posted on my Instagram like there is so much pressure on this quarantine as well to like become a better person and be fit and, you know, do 520 yoga courses a day and whatever. And I was like, if the only thing you did today was roll over in your bed, that's fine. And also, if the only thing you did today is watch this video, that's fine as well, okay? This is quarantine. This is about survival. This is not about being as productive as you can be, yeah? So that's why I'm also going to stop with making a video every day. I'm just going to film whenever I feel like I want to film, and that's it. So, yeah. Hi, we're back. As you can see, my curling skills got better and better than the first video I did for the quarantine month. So yeah, we're just gonna start because I think you already saw on the title what we're gonna do today, and we are gonna do some sex talk and some toy talk, okay? And I love that. I love sex. I love sex toys. I love everything about it. And I think we should all just be more open about it because it's something so healthy. Masturbation is so healthy, and it's just good to get to know your body before you are getting involved with someone else, you know? Know what you like, know what you don't like, and, you know, just figure out your kink. And yeah. So we're just gonna start, and I'm just gonna show you a couple of things. And I don't really know if I have to explain everything or just show you what I have and what I sort of like, and you know. So yeah, I guess we're just gonna start. Okay, so the first thing that I want to show you is a life changer. This is a sex goddess in a toy. I'm not even kidding. This thing means multiple orgasms in a longer period of time. Yeah. This thing has me shaking like I've never have been shaken before. So this thing also makes it really hard for an ex-partner to do the job, you know. Boom! It's this thing. It's the Satisfier Pro, I guess. I will tag it in the caption. And it's air pressure toy, so this will go against your clit or whatever spot you like, and you just put it on and it will suck. Wait. It's not really it's not silent, you know, but I find it weird when people are like, I want a silent toy, and I'm like, so you don't want anyone to know that you are having sex or you're touching yourself? Like when you're living at home, okay, I can imagine it, but this thing, y'all, it's worth the noise. It's worth the noise. I'm not even kidding. Like there's an on switch. There is like making it more intense, making it less intense. And this thing, hallelujah, I swear to God. And if you have trouble with getting an orgasm, because there are women who are just, you know, they don't know where to, it just doesn't work, honey, maybe this will change your life. Just give it a try, okay? This is from Easy Toys. You can get it everywhere. You can also get it on bol.com if you're from Holland. Yeah, Satisfy. This is my baby. This will also make you a very lazy self-lover, to be honest, because you put it on and it does your job. So yeah, this is a yeah, I love this one. I love this toy. Definitely my favorite toy at this moment. It's air pressured. You have a lot of air pressure toys. This is a Satisfier, but you have also the womanizer, I guess, and you have some more things. And honey, just go with the flow. Some people are sometimes asking me like, when I'm on like a site, I don't know what to choose. What do I pick? Honey, pick what you're interested to. Okay? Ow, doe jij de deur open? Okay. That's the door was ringing. So basically, wait, I need to hear what is. My friend was coming by. Oh no, it's not my friend. Okay, like on a distance, how we were meeting, she was bringing me some chocolates. Always good, right? My friends are so sweet. But okay, where was I? Oh yeah, if you're on a site and you don't know what to pick, just go for what you're attracted to. You know what I mean? The color, the shape, the size, whatever. Like your mind and your, you know, let your belly, let your womb speak for you. You know what I mean? Like maybe we're like, wow, that's really shumble bum bum. But I'm not kidding. If you're on a site or in a store, like go to a sex store. I go to sex stores with my friends all the time because it's just fun and you can like maybe help each other a little bit. Like, oh, maybe you should try this or that. But you always walk into a direction that you're attracted to. You always go to things that you're like, ah, this is shiny and I want it, you know? So just let your feeling take over and not your brain like, oh my god, maybe I should do this. Yeah, maybe if you see the price tag and you're like, then go for your second option where your intuition leads you to. And coming to intuition, I bought something that I cannot use because you'll see in a minute. And it made myself laugh so hard, my friends too. And yeah. I wanted to have this, and as you can see, this is big. Look at my head. This is how big it is, okay? And I cannot, it doesn't fit, girls, it doesn't fit. That's not how big my pussy is. The tip fits, but that's it. And so yeah, I can literally do nothing with it, but it just made me horny as hell when I saw this on their site, and I was like, I need a bigger dildo in my life. So now it just literally stands in my room to just, you know, when burglars come in, I can do like, whoppa, wow, chow. So that's what I bought it for. It's a weapon, okay? And police can't come at me like you know, when in Holland, I don't know how it is in the US, but when in Holland you hit a burglar with a baseball bat, is that how you call it? You will get a sentence. They will be like, this is a weapon. So you need something that they don't see as a weapon, and honey, they can see this as a weapon. This is a dildo, okay? I mean, this is great. Yes, I love it. So what I say, go for your kink. Don't be ashamed about it. Just do it. And yeah, then spend a lot of money on something you can't use. But okay, it's fine. Moving on, then I also have a dildo that is just... Look at the difference of this. This makes no sense. What was I thinking? This makes no sense. It does make sense. Everything that feels good to you makes sense. So this is just my normal dildo. Got it from my friend for my birthday. Yes, me and my friends give each other a lot of sex toys because when you grow up, like, what the hell do you give each other for each other's birthdays? Sex toys it is, honey. It's such a fun thing to do with friends, and you are just constantly exchanging each other's knowledge and each other's pleasures, you know. Then I also got myself a butt plug. Also got it from my other friend for my birthday, from my best friend. It has a little diamond on it. This is for anal use, and if you are unfamiliar with anal use or you've never done it, have fun and experiment, you know. And it can be scary because you're like, honey, that's the back door, that is a exit, not an entrance. Sure, but I assure you that it is another level of sexual experience, you know. And don't have to start with a man getting in there already. You can just start with yourself and playing by it, and like get yourself a little butt plug that can get you joy, or you just buy a little vibrator dildo and you start. You just do you, boo, and maybe you'll find it fun. Maybe it's nothing for you, but also knowing what you don't like is very important. To me, that's very important. Also knowing, no, I don't like this. I tried it and I didn't like it. But if you've never tried it, honey, you don't know. And maybe that is your jam. Just saying. So this is a little vibrator from, I guess, Atos, something like that. And it was one of my first ones that I got for my 18th birthday. But my very first one was this one. And I got it from some girls for my birthday. And I was 18. And then when I got into a shop and I was like, because this is broke, it doesn't work anymore, the vibrator one. And the guy in the shop was like, but honey, this is not really a vibrator for your vagina. This is actually for your anus. And I was like, oh, okay. So yeah, because it has like the it has like multiple levels. I don't know. So this was my first one. Together with this one, got that for my 18th birthday, and still love them. They are fun colors. Love it. So yeah, then I also got some little vibrators. Like this, also something that the girls, it's, can you hear it? And it's a lipstick one, so no one will expect that this is a vibrator in your bag. So yeah, just saying, you know, no one will look at this and be like, this is a vibrator. No, actually not. It looks like a mascara. You know, the ones from Rimmel London, and then you'd be like, eh. So yeah, handy. Then also got this little bullet one. You can just do some fun body stuff with this one. I really love that. Then I just got some loops. Very important. Well, not very important, but, well, for anal use, it's very important, okay? Get yourself some lube, y'all. Make it oily and juicy, just saying. Got some condoms. Got some, yeah, love it. Got some dare cards. Just make it fun, you know? Make it fun. Also, now when you're having a partner and you're doing quarantine together, just get something fun. You know, you can get like dices for real cheap on sex size, and it will like tell you living room or your car or the bedroom, and then also like which position which position you're gonna do. Just make it fun. Also dare cards, you know, why not use a dare card? What does it say? I dare you to undress your partner with only your teeth. I mean, I love it. If I would have had a partner, I would have definitely done that. But okay, I have my sex toys. So, but I do have the cards, and then I also got like a cock ring, and I tried it with one of my ex-boyfriends. But I don't know, it was, maybe this is not a good one. There was like a little vibrator thing on here. I don't know. It wasn't doing it for him. Wasn't doing it for me. But I tried with him, and maybe it was just not the correct one. That can also happen. It was just something that was like, oh, you can get this now for €3 or something. And I was like, sure. Got some handcuffs, honey, because you never know when you're gonna need them. Okay, and then I got another box. Don't come at me, baby. I got this. And I must say, this is not doing it for me, okay? This is like a sort of the original vibrator that was first ever in history invented for women. And I feel like it's the Magic Wand Plus, but this is just not my thing. This thing feels like it's shaking everywhere except for your pussy. So my arm will be like, and my pussy will be like, and my arm will be like, so no, this is not my favorite toy. But yeah, I wanted to try it because I saw so many women being like, oh, this is my baby. And I was like, I need to try this shit. But no, not my thing. Not my thing. You can maybe like stimulate parts with this, but it's not my favorite toy. But as I said, try things, honey. And then I also got some, oh my god, spot stim serum. And this is supposed to be like a intense G-spot serum of which your orgasm will be like explode. But I actually forgot I had them. I just opened this box and I was like, oh yeah, I also got this one. So I literally forgot. I am gonna try this. I should have done it because then you all would have known. Then I got also something else, something fun. Also from Unbound. They are a super lovely sex shop, to my opinion, because they are, I don't know, real feminine, and all their boxes are like super just pretty and beautiful, and look, I mean, and this is a bender. Look, it bends. You can get this in any position you want, and it is a vibrator. It vibrates. Oh, go out! Jesus. And I don't know, this is just a lovely thing, and I feel like it just shapes with your body. So if you also have a party, you can play with this and put it in some places, you know. So yeah, really love this one from Unbound. It's called The Bender. Easy name. So yeah, love it as well. Then comes in this lovely box. And then I got some cuff love. Look, I mean, this is the box for the cuffs, and it's just all so fucking pretty. And these cuffs I really love. I never use them because I got them when I was alone. And they are blue, and oh yeah, I just can't wait to use these. Cannot wait. And that's also, maybe you're looking, you're like, cuffs, honey, but experiment, okay? I mean, just have fun. Sex is about having fun, about feeling good, and also with yourself. Like, you can also put some cuffs on when you're going down on yourself. If that's your king, then do it, you know? But also with a partner and a lover, just have fun together and experiment also together, you know, in whatever you're doing. And then I also got a whip. And I love this also with playing with yourself, because, you know, putting this against some boobs, I mean, no one ever, that hurts no one ever. That never hurted anyone. And also a little spanker, yeah. Also from Unbound, totally love it. It's gorgeous. Okay, so I guess that was my collection of things, what I have. Yeah. The Batman, the thing, yeah, that was it. So that was my little presentation of sex toys, and that it's very healthy for you to have sex and use sex toys, because it can be frightening to some people. Because I'm not even kidding, like if I post a picture on my Instagram of a sex toy, there are literally 200 people sometimes unfollowing me. And like, you do you, boo. If you don't want to follow me anymore, that's fine. But then you just don't understand that there's still such a taboo on talking about sex and sex toys. And I'm like, it will change your life if you know what you love, what you don't love. And it will just change your whole view on sex and having sex with a partner. And being able and confident enough to say, no, I don't like that, but I like that. And do it like this. And maybe try it like this, you know? Yeah. I love sex, and I love the toys, and I love to save up, you know. And I have 2 boxes now, but I'm planning on having a big ass closet full of sex toys. So yeah, I love making this because I love sex toys, and I just love talking about sex. It is healthy, it's good for you, and we should all do more. So yeah, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share it with a friend who is maybe a little bit shy, or maybe a little bit has to know some more about sex toys. I will tag as many products that I just shown down below. Nothing is sponsored except for the Unbound. Well, it's not sponsored, but it's paid, so I got that from them for work. But if it wasn't good, like, I also got this one, but this is not my favorite. I'm being honest about that. So I will tag as many as possible. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed. And don't forget to push the notification button if you want to be notified with a new video. And I'll see you later, alligator. I love you. Bye.